In this film, we introduce ETS Nord's self-assembly package option for our commercial kitchen canopies. Available only from ETS Nord, our ASAP solution is a compact and easy-to-ship modular version of our canopies, meant for assembly at the job site. By shipping compact modules on standard pallets instead of fully assembled canopies, ASAP makes it easy to bring the equipment indoors at job sites where space is limited, even through narrow passageways or elevators. Similar to that of the world's largest furniture supplier, our ASAP solution is packaged with a visual and easy-to-follow 5-step assembly guide. Our modular canopy construction significantly extends the life cycle of your canopy investment by enabling the reuse and redeployment of the equipment if a kitchen layout change or expansion might take place. 70% of restaurants change their concept in as little as 5 years. With ETS Nord's ASAP solution, reusing your kitchen canopies in this way lets you personally contribute to an eco-friendly environment with a sustainable kitchen ventilation system. ETS Nord's product specialists are standing by to assist you in creating the attractive and functional kitchen ventilation system you strive for. Call ETS Nord today.